So, welcome back to my channel. This is my puppy dog. Her name is Sasha. And we've come to the park with her.
On a nice day in Britain.
Yeah, on a nice day in the UK, which
not very often
never really happens. But yeah, today has been quite fun. We're at my dad's house. Kieran lives somewhere else. But there's my cute little pooch. She is 10 years old, and yet she acts like a little puppy. Oh, bless her. There's Kieran. But yeah, we are at the park.
Hey!
My dog
Hey!
has decided that she doesn't actually know that Kieran's holding the ball with, he's trying to chuck it around at the minute. Keep it still. Yeah, Kieran's got the ball.
Sash!
And my dog's just casually exercising herself. I can't zoom in.
Can't even listen to that.
But yeah, she's exercising herself, and I don't think she actually realises that we've still got the ball. Sash!
Sash! Hey!
Just
Sash!
Sasha!
Where?
Oh, there we go. She's worked out now that we have the ball. But yeah, basically what we're doing today at my dad's is we kind of use my dad's as a relaxation day. Let me tell you, my dad's as it's kind of a relaxation away from baby girl.
What did you do?
She sat on her back leg.
Silly sausage.
Yeah, so we are basically using my dad's house as a relaxation. It gets us away from Xboxes, gets us away from social media, it lets us relax, it also lets me reconnect with my dad, even though, you know, I've had reconnection with him for the past 21 years because he brought me up. And basically we only spend one day with my dad. Where did you chuck it? Okay. We basically, what we do is we come to my dad's on a Thursday, which is today, but you're probably going to be watching this vlog. If I can get it edited tonight, you'll probably be watching this tomorrow, which will be Friday, or at the latest Saturday. When you'll be watching this vlog basically whenever I can get it uploaded. But what I'm hoping to do is, in a few of my vlogs, I'm hoping to get my dad involved, or I'm hoping that when my dad is playing Xbox, because he is a 60-year-old bloke that is absolutely in love with Call of Duty. So if I sound like Woody the Woodpecker then. But yeah, if my dad plays Call of Duty, then what I'll do, oh, it sounds weird calling it Call of Duty, it's COD. But if my dad, what is going on there? If my dad basically is playing Call of Duty, then what I'll do is I will sneakily record him. Kieran wants you to have a look at him doing the chuck it. So, she don't know where it's went. Yeah, bailed. But yeah, a lot of the time when you take my dog for a walk, you end up doing that. You actually have to run after the ball yourself, because Kieran's over there, my dog went over there. Oh, I was going to try and beat Sash. But yeah, I don't know roughly how long this vlog will be, because what I'm going to do is probably day in the life of my dog, which throughout today, the evening, I will be doing vlogs which involve her, because she is my little baby.
She laid down, time for a third.
Is it?
Yeah, she laid down.
Oh, okay. Let me explain what Kieran just said. When my dog lies down, because we are at the park, for anyone that's decided they don't want to watch my dog, which I don't know why, because, like, hello, this whole vlog is about my dog. To anybody that doesn't understand what I meant, or what Kieran meant when we said she's lying down, it's time to go home, it basically means that when my dog is tired, or she's had enough exercise for the day, that she basically thinks she's had enough exercise for the day, she will lie down. Oh. But yeah, she will fully actually lie down.
It's just done it.
Oh, lovely. She will completely lie down and leave the ball. And that's when we kind of know she's done. But yeah, this whole vlog, to anyone that is confused at why it's on me, but yeah, this whole vlog's about my dog, is because she is currently there, walking along. See, this is the fun part. I have her lead. I'm hoping, if she can, she's got herself trained that basically once she gets to a certain part of the road, she will hopefully stop and do that, walk around the corner. It's almost like she goes to see. Oh, look who it is! It's my dad! That's my dad.
Hiya, Spoozy.
Say hello to YouTube.
Hello, YouTube.
But yeah, I will be doing vlogs with my dad. But yeah, we're walking home now. But I won't show you where I live. That would just be weird. So I'm going to put it back on me, so you guys don't have a clue where I live. But yeah, hope you guys like this section of the channel, and I will keep you updated on my dog. You want his dad? Go on in. He's my baby. What's this? You having a wee? Nice. You numpty. There's Kieran. Hey guys, so just to end this vlog, Sash is currently on the floor, but I just wanted to let you guys know that she's not been she's not been doing basically anything else apart from lying down and sleeping. So I'm going to leave this vlog here, because I doubt you guys want to watch like 10 minutes worth of my dog just sat on the floor. I will add the clips that I've got of her sat on the floor. But please like, subscribe, and I will see you all guys in the next